Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn if you are also facing the frustrating still switching SIM card, try again later error on your Android phone. So watch this video till end very carefully. Okay, so if you are using a dual SIM phone and you keep seeing this message while switching between SIM card for calls or internet or for text messages, so normally at that time you can get this type of glitch error on your phone. So let's get started one by one how to fix this problem. Okay, so when you're facing this type of problem, first you need to enable the flight mode or airplane mode on your phone. After doing this guys, now try to switch your SIM card manually. For this guys, open your phone settings, go to connection or network and connection like this, and go to SIM card manager. From here you can easily able to switch it. Okay, so still in case you are not able to switch the SIM card, now you need to disable the one SIM card which you don't want to use. Okay, you can get your all SIM card, two SIM cards as you can see guys, which you don't want to use. From here you need to disable it. Okay, after doing this guys, now it will automatically switch to another SIM card. Okay, so this is the easy and basic simple setting to fix this irritating problem. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Open your phone settings, scroll down and find out apps. Open it like this. In the apps, scroll down and find out SIM card toolkit. If that particular app is not showing, at that time you need to enable the system app, show system app. You need to enable this and click on OK. Now scroll down and find out SIM card toolkit. So as you can see guys, app is here. Open it. You need to clear the caches and the storage of this particular app like this. Okay, after doing this guys, go back and restart your phone one time. Now it will fix your problem. Still in case you're facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to reset your network settings. So before resetting your, just select search the reset option, select the, you need to only reset your network settings, tap on reset network settings, select the SIM card and reset it. That's it. After doing this guys, it will 100% fix your problem. One more method you can try guys, you can remove and reinsert the SIM card on the SIM tray. So if this all method is not working with you, now what you need to do, you need to contact your customer care support to fix your problem issue. If the SIM card is not working, you can also able to face this type of irritating problem. Okay, so that's all guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.